Alright. The man them in a music. The man them in a dancehall and reggae music. The rapists them and the abusers them violate the sisters them will come round, you know. The man them will call themselves ambassadors and reggae ambassadors and dancehall ambassadors and pat on yourself on the back and say one are icons and you know want people rate you know and love you know. I want to get the love and support from whole heap of females around the world, because let me tell you something. Most of the Jamaican artists them will break internationally or bust big, and the female them really good enough. The extra mileage upon the career, you know, is the females them around the world globally. And the female them really send on nothing a road, you know. Majority of the artists them will bust internationally on the international market. Is the female them send on a road, you know, the female really support, you know. While on the reach on a reach, you know, because I remember say the girls them really, you know, draw the man them for even support, you know, too, because girls want to go a stage show go soon, you know, a man want to go with them. Women support, you know, in a major way, because when stage show I keep, or when dance I keep, women go and them do them nails and them do them ear. So the woman them actually make you get all pay. You see what I say? The woman them make you get all pay because, you know, people come and some of the festivals them wanna go and people them have stall and them thing there and people go buy from them and the promoter get to eat back of food and you see what I say? So knowing that, how you feel today, you artists, when you know yourself what the sisters them talk about. Because you know yourself, you know, because let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, people. You have a thing in your conscience. You see when the light turn off and your friend them around you, you gas up, your people them gas you up and make you feel like say you're greater than anybody else and you're better than anybody else and you can kill anybody you want to kill and you can make your thugs them kill who them want to kill. No matter how much people the people them around you kill, you know, and no matter how much people them beat, and no matter how much people them intimidate, at the end of the night, you know, at the end of the day, you know, you have a little space, you see, where just you alone. I just you alone are going in that space there. You see what I say? When you're in that space there, you reflect. And you say to yourself, say, yo, John was star. And me, she attack, you know. How you feel? When all of your yes man they move from around you, because you don't sleep with them, you know, because them drop you off or them cut after certain hours, because them have to go to them yard and them have to go to them bed and them have to go take care of them responsibilities. Even if they end up on the internet to support you, them still take time out. The next day them come and them gas you up again and them take time out. The next day them come and them gas you up again. And when them keep gassing you up, you get tired of them. You not even want to watch them again. You not even want to see them and gas you up. So you have that time to know by yourself in a little corner, in your bed, lay down and you're looking at the roof. You lay down and you're looking at the roof and you say, and me she attack, you know. How you feel? How you feel when you know say you did make your friend them kill all the youth? How you feel? How you feel when you know say a sister upon the internet and say you rape her? And you know say she get raped and you know say you she attack? How you feel when you see all a sister cry uncontrollable? To the point where you see all people all ridicule her. Because you see some man in the comments and some woman a laugh and she pour out her heart because she carried a burden there for years. And she cry out her heart. How you feel? If you know say you did beat her. Or you feel and know say she's not your daughter. Or you feel for know say she's not your child. Or you feel for know say now you have daughters or a daughter. So if me should have beat your daughter or rape your daughter, what happened to me? What if your daughter now come round me and want bust because you not really take care of her? Maybe you wouldn't even, you not care? Me don't like for know. You not care? Let's say you love your daughter, because some of you have pitney and don't love the pitney them. Because you just breathe and move. But let's say you love your daughter. You know? And she like me. Sang them. And she come on stage show and we see her backstage and just push me under her. And she come and say, Daddy, such and such push man under me, you know. How do I feel? If you know, say, a man just see your daughter backstage and just grab her by the pussy. How do I feel when she come to you and say, Daddy, stand up backstage, you know, and she just a cry uncontrollably and say, he pushed his hand under me. How do I feel? You don't want to kill me, though. Or whosoever do it, don't it? So why you do that to a sister? How do I feel if your daughter or one of your family member, your sister, I try and get a bus and she go around some man and them say you have to run pussy, and if she not run the pussy, them tear off her drawers and rape her? How you don't feel? After 20 years, you just say, yo, a long time is it gone. You know, that still want to kill all the man there for 20, 30, 40 years past. You know, that still want to kill a man there. How would I feel if your daughter come 20 years after me beat her? To the point where she have to go to the hospital. But you never did find out. And 20 years after you see her on the internet, I cry. And you say, what happened to you? Because she did afraid to tell you because she never want you to kill me. Because she knows you're a wicked man. She knows you will kill me. So she never want you to kill me and go to prison. So she never did tell you. And one day you just see her on the internet, I cry. And I said, him beat me. And when him done beat me, him beat me. Him beat me. Everybody stand up and watch him and beat me. How you don't feel when she come tell you, say, me they do it. You don't want to kill me, though. Let me tell you something. This is not the final destination, you know. This is just an experience. It's just earth and it's an experience. And the whole of we, some of we are 50 already and some of we near 50. That means that we're close. If you leave that realm here. And time a fly. You see how quick the year done? Some of we have 130. Remember Tutsi birth them dead when them about 70 or so, you know. And Alton Ellis them and John Watt them and the whole of them dead in them 70s and them age there. And whole heap of miles there on our body. Because we fly all over the world. Some of we drink, some of we just go. Some of we all do our surgery. Pan we belly and we kidney and all kind of stuff, man. Some of we all live in a hospital and people don't know them, just see we and think that we're healthy. But some of we deteriorate fast. You see when they're upon a dead bed they go out. You see when they're upon a dead bed they go out. A dead bed they go out. These are going to be your reflections. And guess what? Nobody will gas you up and nobody will kill people for you. Nobody will beat people for you. Nobody will take up for you. Can't go with you. Or can't go and make you stay. Them now can't go and make you stay, you know. When you're on that bed with a failed kidney or a failed organ, and you take them last deep breath there, your brain are going to still function. And you got to remember everything we do to them sisters, yeah. We come around you, just a look a little break. Because you know what you do? When you damage something we precious. Something we give life. It gives life, people. Something where gives life on hurt. All of the hurt life givers. And things said this I go just be on the final chapter. Let me tell you something. Whether hell around there wait for no, or for we, whether reincarnation, something that they are wait. No matter what we believe in. One thing I can tell you, energy cannot be destroyed. The laws of science. This the physical I go stay here and create nourishment for all the plants and them things there so people can continue to get oxygen. But you have a thing named the soul. You hear some people say them say dopey. Enough people not believe. But dopey real. Spirit. People say spirit. That is to show us that energy cannot die. So you see the things that this are the final chapter. So beat all who you beat and send go kill all who you want send go kill. And rape all who you want rape. And things that this are the final chapter. Remember we are going to take a last breath. What are we? What are we going to take the final breath? You see? And all who are support you know, trust me, them are going to take the final breath there too. You may be young now. You may be a young supporter now. But I was young too. I did 18 one time, 19 one time, 20 one time, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Me are 50 now. 20 years, 30 years, or maybe even sooner. I'm not going to talk to you now. But me, want to know, say, when I leave that realm here, or when I take my last breath, I not go have them corruption they pack up on me. And them wickedness and them evil. Like, how many things you can do the wickedness, them and go talk about, Selassie, I forgive I, or Jesus forgive I, and somehow not turn Christian. And things like that I go clear, you know. You can't get no clearance when the people them where you hurt still are hurt. Because you can't fight in your heart as a man. To reach out to them and undo the wrongs them you do. So you have them on the internet to cry them heart out. Because now at the only time, at the era this we in, where them have somebody to cry to. Some people where them not even know. Maybe if you just call the sisters them wanna hurt and say, yo, wanna meet with you. You know how much healing that it work. It go on there so. You think a little bit of healing would go on there so. If we not just reach out to the sisters them. Say make a meet up. Because you know say you're not going to get no trouble for them. Even if them call name. Because people love wrongdoers. But remember, them can't take a place when the day come. You're going to go on your own. When you're ready to leave, nobody now going to come over you. The hole where them are put in. The hole that them are put in, nobody now going to come. All the people must say they love you and them not kill people for you. Them not going to come and say, put me instead. And even them try that, them are going to cover up the two and because that can't bring you back. 10 minutes gone, people. Because me think say me finish. Me think say me say it all. Me no say you can't do me nothing, you know. But one day you're gonna come. Me no say you can confess you no beat, or you no rape, or you no do whatever to the sister them. But one thing me know say, a day is gonna come. Hope it not too late. Keep it going. And think say, earth is the final journey. Keep it going. You see? Big up on yourself, sisters. And all the sisters that may come around, I. Big up on yourself. Because I always soon as a sister. Nothing more. Because I don't think so we not forget punishment. I don't think so nobody supposed to abuse you, know, if you go no a break. Abuse you know, because you know, less fortunate and I look at we could way out. Venice I bring them come on to my house before them bus. And I bad them up and say, yo, what ambition me want to have? Ask them. In my house. Never yet hear them out there say me have beat one of them. Lottie J them, all of them come in my hand. In my house. In my studio. Never yet violate one of them. Because I see them as sisters. I see them as life givers. Me not perfect in people. But me confess my sins to whom me hurt. Me not go to Jesus now one corner and say, Jesus, me did hurt such and such. Or Selassie, me did hurt such and such. No, because Selassie and Jesus here. But the person when me hurt, not here. And that person when me hurt, maybe that person they want here. I want to see the pain in the sisters them. I want to see the pain. I want to think them just a act. Or them a look likes. There is nothing to look likes about that people. No sister now come humiliate themselves them way they just to get little likes. Because them could have go over OnlyFans if I that them did a look. All them have to do is come strip phone and get more likes than what them are get now for free themselves. But them just a purge. Because we out here stand up with them and I give them strength. Them scared. They're afraid. But we are trying to make them understand that there is nothing to fear but fear itself, because man can't only hurt the physical, can't touch your soul. Them may say attention somehow we are look. But at the end of the day, we there as a rock on you can lean upon. So if it takes freeing yourself, free yourself on the internet if that alone you have. If that's the only outlet, free yourself. Because enough of you are going like I just tune to see Macka ball now the first you know hear about woman that get beaten by artists. Or artists that make woman a beat man. Or man a beat woman, excuse me, in front of them and they sit down and just a watch. I want to jump up and rail up for them on the gas stage show. No one not going like we not trick people. A long time I don't know artists a beat woman. For no reason. No reason. Sisters them just go around them and look like a help. And so what them do with them. And enough of you still support them. But free yourself, sister. Because your tears them is just a cleanser. Your tears are just cleanser. And I say you free yourself. Cry. Let it out. Don't be afraid. And don't be trapped in a prison. You did not do anything wrong. Let the people that hurt you stay in the prison. Come out, leave them. Leave them not them damnation. See? Big up on yourself.